let's look at a thermometer here. Um, Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So this circle here means degrees, and the C stands for Celsius. Celsius. Okay, your body temperature is roughly 37 degrees Celsius. Um, in everyday life, we prefer degrees Celsius, but in science, scientists there's another way to measure how hot something is, and that's in degrees Fahrenheit. Uh, Fahrenheit. It's written like this: degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Well, there's a formula that allows us to get from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, scientists they prefer to use degrees Fahrenheit. We prefer degrees Celsius because we're just used to this. This is useful in science. You'll understand why when you're older. So the formula to take us from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is this: F for Fahrenheit equals 1.8 C plus 32. So doesn't matter how they got here. We just learn how to use the formula. We don't know how they got to this formula. So let's just use it. So what is 0 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? So basically work out F. So let 1.8, put the 0 into the C. So the C is here. Put the 0 into here, and then plus 32. Well, 1.8 times 0 is 0. So this whole term here gets killed off. So it's just basically F equals 32. So 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. We can use the same formula to jump from 100 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's work it out. F equals 1.8 C plus 32. That's our formula here. Well, put the 100 into the C here. So it will be 1.8 times 1.8. I can write it as this times 100. I'm just going to move it to two decimal places. So 1.8 times 100 is 180. It doesn't matter if you don't understand this. Don't worry about it too much. So basically, 1.8 times 100 is 180. Okay, and then add the 32. So Fahrenheit here. Hang on. So add 180 to 32. It would be 212. So F equals 212. So 100 degrees Celsius is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Your temperature, your body temperature in Fahrenheit is, hang on, well, F equals 1.8 C plus 32. Doesn't matter how they got this formula. You understand why when you're older. This one here. Oh, we want to know your body temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. In Celsius, it's this 37. So C equals 37. Okay. So now we put 37 into this C here. So 1.8 times 37 plus 32. Well, let me get my calculator out. Hang on. So 1.8. 1.8 times 37 equals 66.6. So hang on, equals 66.6 plus 32. So now just add these two together. So that's like this: 66.6 and then 32. Remember 32 is the same as 32.000 whatever. Okay. It doesn't matter if you don't understand this. Here 6 plus 0 is 6. Take the decimal down. So this would be 8 here. This would be 8. This would be 9. Okay. It doesn't matter if you don't understand this. This bit here doesn't matter. 98.6. So F equals 98.6 when C is 37. So if you look at this here, when C is 37, you put this into the formula 37 into this here to find out F. Well, when we put 37 into the C here, F turns out to be 98.6. So so on this scale here, it's 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body temperature is this in Fahrenheit, and water freezes at 32. But here's the thing: what happens when you want to know what 100 degrees Fahrenheit? What is that in degrees Celsius? What happens if you want to go the other way? So let's have a look at this here. Remember our formula: F equals 1.8 C plus 32. Now we want to know 150 degrees Fahrenheit. What's that in Celsius? It could be anything here. I chose 150 at random. So basically, do this. If you want to know what this is what 150 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius, this is how you do it. So here you want to work out what C is. So but basically C is stuck in this bubble here. Okay, this is C. Kill off this 32 first. We want to get C standing on its own. So we want to get C equals blah 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 blah. Because what that's saying is blah 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 here is C. Okay, so to somehow get C on its own. But C is stuck in this thing here. So take away 32 from both sides. So take away 32 would be 118 here. On this side it would be 1.8 C. Okay, and now divide both sides by 1.8. So basically, inside your mind, divide both sides by 1.8. Just to kill off this thing here, because at the moment you've got this. So divide both sides by 1.8. So on this side, 118 divided by 1.8. This side will be C. So now just get a calculator and work out what this is. So 1.118 divided by 1.8. 1.8 equals 60. Let's say 66. I know it says 65, but we are rounding it off. Don't worry about this too much, but because it's nearer to 66 than it is to 65, we just push it up. Don't worry if you don't understand this pushing thing up. Just know that it's roughly this. Okay, so C equals this. So C degrees Celsius. So 150 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the same as 66 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it all starts from our formula here. So if you look at our formula here, F equals 1.8 C plus 32. If you can put any number into here, into the F to work somehow rearrange it to get C standing on its own. So let's just leave F for the time being. F as F. Okay, we're not going to put any number into there. So now take away 32 from both sides. So take the F down. Take away 32 on this side. This side will be 1.8C. Okay, because we're just killing off this 32. Now divide both sides by 1.8. So take the whole thing down, and then divide it by 1.8 on this side. This side, I know 1.8 C divided by 1.8. because these two are the same, they're going to kill off each other, just leaving me C. So here, in effect, I've got, in effect here, we've got a formula to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, last time we started off with a formula C equals 1.8. F equals 1.8 C plus 32. What this formula is saying is that to work out F, you put your degrees Celsius into the C to work out F. Now, so from this very same formula here, we've rearranged it to get this one here. So now to find out Celsius, you put any number you want into the F and follow this formula to work out C. Okay?